Hi guys, it's Zilla. I'm back again with a video, and I'm gonna talk a real quick thing of kind of a news flashy type thing. Something I've heard about the Galaxy Note 9, Samsung Galaxy Note 9. I'm just reading down here if you're wondering what I'm doing. People have been saying the Note 9 is going to be way expensive, massively expensive. I've heard so many crazy rumors, people talking about it's going to be £1,500, $1,500, and I keep on saying every year people blow it out of proportion as to how much the Samsung flagships are going to cost. But when it comes down to it, they're always less than the rumored prices we've been hearing in the media. This is why I don't release videos straight away about certain topics, because you get fed basically misinformation. That's why I like to sit back, wait, see what everyone else is saying, wait for more confirmed rumors. And what I'm hearing in the UK anyway, the Note 9 is going to start from £809. It's going to be £899 for the 128GB version. That is pretty good, more than pretty good. I'm pleased with that. Still under £900. The Note 8 cost £869 last year. So you're talking what, £30 more expensive? That's it, £30 more, which is frankly nothing. £30 more is nothing. If that rumor is true, $899, I'm happy all day long. Very happy with that price, really am. But there's another interesting, and I said this in my Note 8 versus Note 9 video. Take this with a pinch of salt. But I'm hearing rumors there's going to be a 512GB model. Now, there's no secret in that. We all know there's going to be one, but myself included, have been thinking it's going to be a China exclusive model. But the rumors I'm hearing, and I'm touch wood, it's going to cost £1,099. That's £1,099 or €1,250. That's the kind of, around that sort of price. Sorry, I know I'm being a bit stuttery here, but I'm quite shocked by that. The rumors I'm hearing is that's going to be available in Europe and the UK. Now, I could be wrong, all right? I'm just getting this information from my sources, but that's the rumors I'm hearing. If they do 512GB model, the reason I'm saying it is this, what I'm reading is saying the Note 9 will start from £899. Start from £899. So to me that suggests, and that's for the 128GB model, for me that suggests there's a other variants, and the rumors I'm hearing is a 512GB model, between £1,099 to £1,115, around that. It depends if you convert euros into sterling or whatever. So let's say £1,100. If that's the case, how many of you in the Europe, in the UK are going to buy the 512GB model? That is pretty special. Pretty damn special. For that price, that is a no-brainer. I have to get it at that for the 512GB version. Anyway, that's the rumor. I thought I'd quickly get it out there before the Unpacked event tomorrow. What do you guys think? Do you think there's going to be a 512GB model available in Europe and UK? And if there is, if it's £1,100, are you going to be thinking about picking that up? Because you remember, the Note 9 can take a 512GB SD card, which would make the Note 9 the world's first 1TB capable mobile device. 1 terabyte. So let's say again, 1 terabyte. Unbelievable. You're talking laptop territory at that sort of pricing. Laptop territory. In fact, most laptops don't come with 1 terabyte because of the price. Anyway, hit me up in the description, in the comments below. Let me know what you think about that rumor. Do you think we should take it with a pinch of salt? Do you think it's viable? If it is, if that is announced in the pre-orders, are you going to be picking that up? Let me know what color Note 9 you want to be picking up. Anyway, that's enough. I'm kind of gushing like a little girl here. This is Zilla saying take care. Check out my Note 8 versus Note 9 video and whether you should upgrade. Check out my Note 8 1 year later review. Hit the subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up. Share this video on all your social media. And until next time, take care and peace.